What's going on, you guys? Alex here with Elevation Off Grid. Welcome back to the channel. We are live from the airport right now en route to Phoenix, Arizona for a Gooseneck Hitch install on one of our clients' trucks. We recently got done with our testing, compliance testing, weight testing, everything like that for these hitches, and didn't want to put them on the trucks until we knew they were compliant and good to go. So we're making our rounds, traveling around the country and installing these quickly on our clients' trucks. So stay tuned and tag along with us as we travel to Phoenix. That ready?
Finally, I've been waiting for you this whole time.
Hello.
It's no Black Edition, but the Highlander will do for now. We made a quick pit stop for some ramen and headed to the hotel to get ready for the install the next morning.
All right, we have arrived at our client's workshop here. It is a balmy 100 degrees already at 9:15 a.m. here in Phoenix. Thank God we have a indoor workspace today for our little gooseneck install.
Slacking. While Jeremy was getting his measurements, I took it upon myself to get some chips in. And yes, I know my golf swing's terrible. Feel free to troll away in the comments.
All the holes are cut. Airbags are being put underneath. Lift up the bed just enough to get this plate underneath.
Unfortunately, the DJI Osmo decided to corrupt the video file right as we took the gooseneck receiver out of the crate and lugged it over to the truck. Here's a shot of it in place as we begin to bolt it to the frame.
That would be amazing.
Oh,
Thank you
wow.
so much. That was very kind of you.
We enjoyed a much-needed sandwich break, finished torquing on the bolts, and cleaned up all the metal shavings.
All right, we are all set and wrapped up on this install. Truck's looking good right behind me here. So we'll get everything cleaned up here, get packed up, head out, grab a bite to eat, head to the airport, fly back to Denver, back to the shop.
Thank you.
The EOG way.
We killed some time dealing with flight delays for nearly 2 hours before finally getting on the plane.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
You know that acronym? Oh, yeah.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on this trip. We are back in Denver. Just got back to the airport. It has been a long day. We've had our flights delayed multiple times. Glad to be back. Back to work tomorrow. Thanks for checking out the video. Hopefully you can tag along with some more of these with us. We will see you on the next one.